In this session, we would like to share the benefits and features of airaTrack. AIRA is a Taiwan-based company specializing in AI and IoT technology. Our strength is to apply technology, build affordable products and provide solutions to meet vertical market needs. AIRA's AI model focuses on people. We train our own facial and body AI models. The application scenario can be applied from, "Who is this guy? Where did he go? Is it safe working here?" to business insights for the owner. We provide standard products to the market, focusing on facial recognition product, person tracking, and virtual fence systems. Why do we need a person tracking solution? When there are more and more cameras on site, it becomes difficult for the guard to find a specific person. Especially when the guard is trying to locate the target person's movement, find their companions, or search for other dates, it takes a lot of time to go through the associated video footage. Here are some use cases that require a solution to locate a person quickly, such as finding a visitor's movements in a commercial building, an unauthorized person in a factory, or a lost child in a stadium. With traditional surveillance systems, the guard needs to manually check video footage from different cameras and match the target person by his eyes. This takes a lot of labor and, even worse, the operator might miss the target person. airaTrack is a person tracking solution that assists the guard in finding the target person across multiple cameras with simple clicks. Let's take a look at the solution for locating a person on a site. You do not need to enroll a face in advance. As long as the guard can see the faces in the video footage, airaTrack AI helps match faces in the footage for further verification. airaTrack works with existing CCTV cameras. As long as the face size in the video is greater than 100 by 100 pixels, airaTrack can capture the face and run its face matching AI algorithm. airaTrack helps match the target person across multiple cameras. It also supports video archive search on Network Optix VMS. The guard can add any person to the watchlist album. When the target person appears on the site, airaTrack will highlight the watchlist person in a different color. airaTrack does not require a GPU card with fewer than 32 cameras connected to it. It is also an off-the-shelf application, making airaTrack an affordable and ready-to-deploy solution. airaTrack provides an easy-to-use three-step investigation process. Identify the target, investigate incidents, and keep evidence. The guard can pick the target person from captured faces or simply upload the target person's photo. airaTrack helps match the target person's face in VMS video footage and prepare an incident list. The guard can then review the incident with the associated video clip and verify the match again. It's easy to keep evidence by generating a PDF report, creating VMS bookmarks, or creating a case. Faceboard displays face captured from live camera feed. It also shows number of person in 1 hour, highlight person matched in album, such as person in watchlist, and filter person by camera or album. There are 5 albums. You can rename to meaningful names, such as watchlist, staff, or VIP. You can also upload photo from album function. After user pick the target person, you can create a search task on the target person on captured faces or video archive. airaTrack displays incident with matched face, camera name or time captured. It also shows the indicator of the matched face occurrences on time bar. User can review incident with associated video clip for further verification, and adjust matching score to enlarge the matching scope on faces. This helps a lot when you try to find a person covered by sunglasses or mask. User can pick the incidents and create evidence, including generating investigation PDF report, download video clips and save to case. Use can also push incidents back to VMS as event or bookmarks. This customer deploys 25 camera on airaTrack in their headquarter building. Their use case is trying to locate visitor footprint in their building, in case the visitor went to forbidden area. We use existing CCTV cameras on the ceiling to do the face matching task, and shows the face matched via these cameras. Let's take a look at the solution for locating a person in a site. The face board shows captured faces from the camera live video. The bar chart indicates the number of faces captured in a 1-hour period, and the faces are organized in 10-minute time period sections. The user can scroll down to see faces in other 10-minute sections. A person matched in an album will be highlighted in a different color to notify the guard. User can browse or filter people in Faceboard to find the target person in an efficient way. He can select different time periods, camera selections, and filter people by album. When the user clicks on a face in the Faceboard, in the target person panel, he can pick a frontal face of the target person and click on the Investigate button to investigate the selected target person. The user can also add this face to an album by clicking the Add to Album button. The user can pick the target person from an album or upload a photo by clicking the Upload button. There are 5 albums. The user can rename the albums, such as Watchlist, VIP, Staff, etc. Create a search task for the target person with the selected time period and camera selection. Note that the Search Video Archive function only supports Network Optix VMS. airaTrack shows search task progress. These tasks are executed in the background, so the user can operate other functions at the same time. He can also click the Stop button to cancel the search task. airaTrack shows matched faces in the incident list. The incident list contains the face matched to the target person, the camera name, and the timestamp. This helps the user identify the cameras spotting the target person. airaTrack also shows an indicator on the video time bar. When the user clicks on the incident, he can review the video clip associated with this incident. Even if the target person is covered by sunglasses or masks or shows only a partial face, the user can adjust the match score. airaTrack will try to expand the matching criteria and find the target person's full face. airaTrack provides a Search Again function, so once the user finds the target person's clear face, he can use this clear face to search again. airaTrack can match more incidents by searching for a clear face. After verifying the incidents, the user can click on the incident checkbox and generate an investigation report in PDF format or download all video clips to the local drive. The user can also send bookmarks to VMS or create a case for further review. User can add current investigation incidents to an existing case. In this way, user can combine multiple investigation cases into one case. airaTrack also supports searching for the target person in unindexed video archives. It only supports Network Optix VMS video archives. The airaTrack search video archive function is executed sequentially through different channels. airaTrack will finish one video archive search before moving to the next. We recommend turning the Search Motion On option in Network Optix VMS. airaTrack will ask Network Optix VMS for the motions during the time period and only download the video clips with motion to match the face. This will dramatically improve search speed. If the Search Motion On option is turned off, then airaTrack needs to download all video archives and match faces on the downloaded video archives. It takes about 10 minutes just to download a 1-hour 1080p video archive. If we look for a person in Network Optix video archive, we have run a testing on a real site in working day. For 24-hour video archive search, it takes about 95 minutes to finish searching. This video show search again function in airaTrack. In case the target person's face is covered partially, user can adjust the score. Try to find the target person's clear face, then use the clear face to search again to find more faces. Let's check on how to design a project with airaTrack. We will cover sales strategy, licensing and hardware sizing in this section. The sales strategy is straightforward. Upsell airaTrack on existing CCTV systems and bundle sell airaTrack with new CCTV systems. The airaTrack design guideline is to add 1/10 of the total CCTV cameras to airaTrack and add more cameras later to elevate the security level. Pick the cameras from control points, including entrances, corridors, or important floors or doors. This visual presentation shows the overall concept of selecting control points for a site. The live channel license is the number of cameras connected to airaTrack. airaTrack will capture faces and create a face index database. When the user creates a search task with the live channel, airaTrack will search the face index database first, shortening the time for face matching. The video archive channel only supports Network Optix video archives. When turned on, airaTrack can search all video archives in Network Optix VMS, but the search video archive task will be executed sequentially, one by one. After the license is activated, there will be a 1-year warranty. Afterwards, it will be 15% of the order for the maintenance fee. If the user doesn't pay the maintenance fee, they cannot get technical support or software upgrades. For a 13th generation Core i7 machine, you can run up to 20 cameras. For a 13th generation Core i9 machine, you can run up to 50 cameras. For projects with more than 50 cameras, please call for further project design and hardware sizing. This section shows how airaTrack works seamlessly with the Network Optix system. airaFace and airaTablet improve management for customers. airaTrack and airaFence elevate the security level for customers. This shows how AIRA products work seamlessly with Network Optix. airaTablet is also a video stream to Network Optix VMS. When a person is recognized, that person will also be displayed in the event panel. airaFace can pull video streaming from Network Optix VMS for further facial recognition applications. The airaFace dashboard can be embedded inside the client application. AIRATrack application can be embedded inside Network Optix client application, and create events and bookmarks on the event list. Let's go through some project references. This project deploys 6 cameras on AIRAFace for employee attendance and 25 cameras on airaTrack for person tracking. In this stadium, there are 2,000 cameras and 15,000 audiences at a baseball game. It would be very challenging to look for a person with this many cameras on site. This stadium is equipped with airaTrack for person tracking, and AIRAFence for intrusion detection at midnight. Let's go through some of the frequently asked questions. Here's the FAQ list. AIRAFace focuses on facial recognition and requires face enrollment in advance. This helps management in an organization. AIRATrack does not need face enrollment and can search for a person across multiple cameras. This helps elevate security on top of existing CCTV systems. A live camera channel is the number of cameras connected to AIRATrack. The faces will be captured and added to the face index database to increase AIRATrack matching speed. A video archive channel is a switch to turn on or off. If the channel is activated, AIRATrack can search all video archives from Network Optix video archives, but this is executed sequentially. The purpose of the 14-day database is to keep AIRATrack lightweight and fast. After 14 days, older data, such as captured faces, indexes, and database records, will be removed. Call AIRA for further hardware sizing and software upgrades. Send HTTP and mail notification when a person is matched in album. This function is in roadmap, and plan to release at end of 2024. Please follow AIRA Corporation on Facebook and LinkedIn by searching AIRA Corporation keyword.